Welcome to Stay Young Wellness. Are you ready to transform your life and shed 15 kilograms in just 30 days? This isn't some magic pill, some quick fix that's going to disappear overnight. This is about committing to a program, pushing yourself, and seeing real, lasting results. In today's video, we'll share a powerful yet sustainable plan to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Let's dive in. Losing 15 kilograms in 30 days. Let's be real, it's not going to be a walk in the park. It requires dedication, consistency, and making smart choices every single day. But let me tell you something. It is absolutely possible. I've seen it time and time again. People just like you who thought they'd never break through. They dug deep, found that inner strength, and crushed it. So here's the plan. First and foremost, we're focusing on a calorie deficit. That means burning more calories than you consume. Next, we're going to get you moving. We're talking a mix of cardio to torch those calories and strength training to build lean muscle. We're prioritizing a healthy, balanced diet packed with whole, unprocessed foods. Think lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and complex carbs. And don't underestimate the importance of sleep and stress management. We're going to do this the right way, the sustainable way, so you not only reach your goals but maintain them for life. You've heard it before, and I'm going to say it again. Abs are made in the kitchen. You can work out till you're blue in the face, but if you're still eating processed junk, you're not going to see the results you want. So let's talk about how you're going to fuel your body for success. Breakfast is your secret weapon. It kickstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for the day. We're ditching the sugary cereals and pastries and loading up on protein and fiber. Think scrambled eggs with avocado, a smoothie with spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt, or oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Lunch is all about balance. Half your plate with colorful veggies, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. Snacking can be your downfall or your saving grace. Have healthy options on hand like nuts, seeds, fruit, or cut-up veggies with hummus. Dinner should be your lightest meal of the day. Think grilled fish, a big green salad, and a small portion of quinoa. And don't forget about hydration. Aim for at least 3 liters of water daily. All right, let's talk about exercise. We're not just going to sit around and wait for the weight to magically disappear. We're going to make it happen. And the good news is, you don't need a fancy gym membership or hours to spare. We're going to get you sweating and burning calories with a mix of cardio and strength training that you can do anywhere, anytime. Days 1 to 3 are all about cardio. We're talking running, cycling, swimming, brisk walking, anything that gets your heart rate up. Aim for 40 minutes and don't be afraid to push yourself. Days 4 and 5 are dedicated to strength training. We're building lean muscle, which will not only sculpt your physique, but also increase your metabolism. Focus on bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Day 6 is for HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. These workouts are short but intense, blasting your metabolism and torching calories. And finally, day 7 is active rest. Active rest means engaging in lighter activities like yoga, stretching, or a leisurely walk. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Now here's the thing about weight loss. It's not just about what you eat and how much you exercise. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your goals. So let's talk about 3 essential tips that will take your transformation to the next level. First up, sleep. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite, cravings, and fat storage. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Create a cool, dark sleep environment, and put away those electronic devices at least an hour before bed. Next, stress management. We all have stress in our lives, but it's how we manage it that makes all the difference. When you're chronically stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your weight loss efforts. So find healthy ways to de-stress, whether it's meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, spending time in nature, or listening to music. And finally, track your progress. Keeping a journal or using a fitness app to track your meals, workouts, and weight loss journey can help you stay accountable. Don't be afraid to write down your goals, your struggles, and your triumphs. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Never give up on yourself. By following this plan, you're not just losing weight. You're building a healthier, more energetic you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch the transformation happen. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Stay Young Wellness, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips. Share your weight loss journey in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Stay young, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.